नमस्कार, कैपिटल टीवी में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं रितिका और आप देख रहे हैं स्पेशल रिपोर्ट। सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की रहस्यमयी मौत के मामले में आम लोगों के हस्तक्षेप से सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश के बाद सीबीआई ने जांच की प्रक्रिया शुरू कर दी है और 2 और जांच एजेंसियों की सहायता से ये जांच अब बहुत तेजी से आगे बढ़ रही है। रिया को एनसीबी ने 14 दिन की न्यायिक हिरासत में ले लिया है और वो 2 दिनों से जेल में है। मैं लंदन में हूँ और पिछले हफ्ते हमने देखा कि कैसे एक एड वैन पूरे लंदन में घूम घूम कर लोगों को जागरूक करने का काम कर रही है और साथ ही साथ ये संदेश भी दे रही है कि भारतीय विश्व में जहां कहीं भी रहे वो इस मुहिम के साथ पूरे दिल से जुड़े हुए हैं और जब तक सुशांत सिंह राजपूत को न्याय नहीं मिल जाता तब तक शांत नहीं बैठेंगे। इसी मुहिम में लंदन से अपनी प्रखर भूमिका निभाने वाले कुछ लोग मेरे साथ हैं। वो अपने उद्देश्य के बारे में बात करेंगे क्योंकि किसी मुहिम से कोई यूं ही नहीं जुड़ जाता। अपना मन, तन, धन और अपना बेशकीमती वक्त न्योछावर कर देना बस यूं ही नहीं होता। मेरे साथ अपने विचारों को बेबाकी से रखने वाले हैं लंदन में प्रैक्टिस करने वाले लॉयर जय सिंह, सैमी जॉनस, जिन्हें आपने बॉलीवुड और टेलीविजन सीरियलों में फॉरेनर बॉय यानी विदेशी कलाकार की भूमिकाओं में देखा होगा। हमारे साथ है काशनील, जो एक लेखक हैं और विदेश में रह रहे भारतीय मूल के बच्चों को संस्कृति से जोड़ने का काम कर रही हैं। यहाँ मेरे साथ नीरजा भी हैं, जो लंदन के एक इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंक में काम करती हैं। इनके अलावा रश्मि हमारे साथ हैं, जो एक फैशन डिज़ाइनर हैं और कीनिया में पली बड़ी होने के बावजूद बॉलीवुड की फिल्मों के जरिए भारतीय संस्कृति से जुड़ी हैं। इनके साथ हैं जय गांधी, जो फिल्म के व्यापार से जुड़े हैं। He was from a very normal middle class family. His family still stayed at his previous residence. His father is living in Patna, and then they are not after Sushant's stardom. He has not grown up in an environment जहाँ पे आपको स्टार हैं तो फैमिली इज़ लाइक गोइंग वेरी क्रेजी आफ्टर यू। सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ द बेसिस कि हर कोई सुशांत के साथ अपने आप को कनेक्ट कर पा रहा है।
He came from a small middle class family just like me, so that was the first connect. And secondly, I think when he died, the first thing I felt was, and the noise around it was that he was depressed, and that's why he took his own life. That was the narrative that we were fed in the beginning. And obviously we didn't know anything about it, so we just took it at face value, what the media is saying, what the Mumbai police, Scotland Yard compared Mumbai police said. We took it at face value, and then I was very upset, but it wasn't as if I had seen a lot of his movies. I'd seen Dhoni, I'd seen Kedarnath. I thought he was a good actor, but beyond that there was nothing. I had not looked into his past, but gradually I started looking into what he was all about. A budding astronomer, physics Olympiad. He was just brilliant. He was the perfect exponent of mind over matter. I mean, anything he put his mind to, he could achieve success. He was a singer, artist, ambidextrous. These are signs of true genius. A person is not an ordinary mind. In Bollywood, I felt it's full of ordinary people, good actors, but ordinary 12th class dropouts. And he was, in a sense, selling fish. Selling books in a fish market, buying books in what was a swampy fish market called Bollywood. So my wife and I were both still very, very disturbed over. I couldn't sleep for almost 20 days. My family got so upset that my mother started calling me, हम लोग तो हैं, वो तो बेचारा चला गया, हम लोग के लिए तो जियो. I was that upset.
बातचीत में आगे बढ़ते हैं। हम बात करते हैं काशनील से और उनसे पूछते हैं इस मुहिम से वो क्यों जुड़ गई हैं। काशनील, आप बताएं इस मुहिम से आपको क्यों जुड़ाव महसूस होता है?
First of all, thank you for inviting me. Thanks to Capital TV as well. मैंने recently सुशांत की movies देखी थी और and I thought he's a brilliant star. He's a brilliant actor. And after that, slowly, मैंने जब न्यूज़ पढ़ा सोशल मीडिया में कि he committed suicide, तो पहले मैंने बिलीव कर लिया था just because few weeks before मैंने करण जौहर का कॉफ़ी विद करण देखा था और वहाँ पे मैं देख रही थी कि उसको कितना ट्रोल किया जा रहा था, तो कहीं ना कहीं मैंने पहले बिलीव कर लिया था. एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड सर्चिंग मोर अबाउट सुशांत एंड आई जस्ट रियलाइज कि हम लोगों ने एक रियल स्टार हम लोगों ने खोया है, कि एक ब्रिलियंट ब्रिलियंट ह्यूमन वो था। आई मीन किसके पास 150 ड्रीम्स होते हैं? मेरे पास गिन के 4 है, और 4 के अंदर भी मैंने सिर्फ 2 ही टिक किया है अपनी आधी उम्र के अंदर, एंड ही टिक्ड 50 ड्रीम्स। And when you have a dream, it's not like your wish. Wish can come true, but for dreams, that's your goal. You have to work. You need to give your energy. You need to give your efforts and everything. तो उसके लिए वो सुबह को 4 बजे उठता था। कौन करेगा? और उसके बाद कौन बिलीव करेगा कि ही कमिटेड सुसाइड, जहाँ पे उसने हम लोगों को कितना सारा सिखाया है और सिखा के गया है। So that's the reason I feel कि बहुत wrong हो रहा है, and we didn't even get time कि हम उसके जाने के बाद उसको श्रद्धांजलि दे पाए। Instead of that, what is happening? I mean ये क्या है? कीचड़ के अंदर डालते जाओ। How any human being can do that? That's so wrong.
लंदन ही नहीं, पूरे यूके में सुशांत केस में न्याय की मांग हो रही है। सोशल मीडिया में कई लोग लगातार इस कैंपेन को चला रहे हैं। कई प्लेटफॉर्म पर पेजेस बने हुए हैं जहां सुशांत केस से जुड़ी हर खबर को लगातार शेयर किया जा रहा है। ये मुद्दा कई लोगों के दिलों को इस तरह से छुआ है जैसे सुशांत कोई फिल्म एक्टर नहीं बल्कि उनकी परिवार का एक हिस्सा हो। प्रोग्राम में आगे बढ़ते हैं, हम बात करते हैं रश्मि से, जो कीनिया में पली बड़ी हैं पर बॉलीवुड फिल्मों के माध्यम से अपनी संस्कृति से जुड़ी हैं। रश्मि, आपका स्वागत है कैपिटल टीवी में। वुड यू लाइक टू एक्सप्लेन योर कनेक्शन विद SSR's case?
Hi, thank you for inviting me to Capital TV. As far as I can remember, from being a young girl, I've always watched Bollywood. I grew up with Bollywood, and SSR, I think when he first came on the TV screen in Pavitra Rishta, I fell in love with him. It was just, there was this innocence in him, and he just captivated me completely. And I followed him through and watched all his movies, and I was really happy that he got to go into movies because he wanted to do that. And when I heard what happened on the 14th, my gut told me he didn't do that. And my gut still tells me he didn't do that. And I mean, I read in one of the social media handles, someone had put down that he's the only one who's created a revolution after leaving this world, and he has. The whole world, the whole universe is out here to support him and get justice for him, and I want his family to get this peace and comfort, and we are his family, we are warriors for SSR, and we all want to know what really happened to him.
आगे बढ़ते हैं, हम बात करते हैं नीरजा से, जिन्होंने इस मुहिम में एक अलग तरह से अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया है। नीरजा, कैपिटल टीवी में आपका स्वागत है। आप बताएं आपके क्यों इस मूवमेंट को लेकर आप इतना पैशनेटली फील करती हैं?
Thank you for having me and inviting me to talk today. What I can relate to with Sushant Singh Rajput is, he came from like a technical background, and so did I. I've come to that, and in my kind of work environment, if something doesn't go your way, you have to find ways. You have to network. You have to do what you need to do to get to that end goal. So my fight right now is just to get to the end goal, not just whoever had killed him, but all the other things he had in mind as well. He had things like, fighting for women empowerment, which he was fighting for, and also about education within the system, not just in India, but it's worldwide. How education is going to change. Here we are quite aware because I'm in IT. I know about it, but a person in India would know, and for a star of that capability to know that as well, and then put his ideas and plans into it as well. So that those type of things I want to keep supporting, because that would I'm hoping that would help him with with his soul and what have you. So that's been my journey to
that was very nice, Neerja, and I appreciate. I hope we all are fighting for justice, and we are definitely going to get one. At least we can hope that for now. अब हम बात करेंगे सैमी जॉनस से, जिन्हें आपने बॉलीवुड फिल्मों में और कलर्स पे आने वाले तू आशिकी सीरियल में फॉरेनर बॉय की भूमिका में देखा होगा, यानी विदेशी कलाकार के रूप में देखा होगा। Hi Sammy,
Hi.
welcome to Capital TV.
Dhanyavad.
I'm really glad that you can speak such nice Hindi. And can you tell me the connection to the SSR case? That how you feel? Why are you doing it? You are not even insider, being an outsider, if I may say so. Why do you feel connected, and why are you so involved with justice?
I just think Sushant Singh Rajput was very, very talented. He could have been international star in Hollywood as well, British films, not just Bollywood. He was very, very hard working all the time. And I think, like, for me, Bollywood has always been a very, very happy place. I've been to India for about 3 years now. Everyone was welcoming. And even when I'm in Mumbai, you know, I'm mixing with like new people who have come to Mumbai, and just like Sushant, they're always working hard. I see that, and some of them may be a bit scared to speak up. So I feel like it's my duty just to come as a foreigner as well, to say that I'm here to support the case, because I've just got so many people in Mumbai from the villages as well. Because when I'm in Mumbai, I don't always stay in hotel. Sometimes I stay in the villages. I'm staying in PGs with struggling actors who have just come from other cities. And they too are always working hard like Sushant, and they should have a chance to do well as well. And if they're as talented as Sushant, get right to the top. You know, if that's, you know, he was already very, very successful actor, but he shouldn't have gone to the top of Bollywood and to Hollywood and British movies. You know, he could have been like Priyanka, Irfan Khan. That's how talented he was, and he's always a genuine nice person. I didn't meet him myself, but again, when I'm in Mumbai, sometimes I do. I'm very privileged. I get to go to like some parties with the stars and meet them, and everyone says he's very hardworking and stuff, and that he really earned his place in Bollywood.
अब हम बात करेंगे जय गांधी से, जो लंदन में फिल्म के व्यापार से जुड़े हैं. So Jay, I can see you are very connected to this campaign.
Yes.
And of course, I mean every Indian should be, but I really want to know why you are connected to this campaign, being in the industry, knowing that you can have some people who can just bash you for doing this.
Well, first of all, thank you for inviting me in this interview. It's really a pleasure for me to be here amongst everyone. मेरा रीज़न ये है कि मैं ये कैंपेन से इसके लिए जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि कहीं ना कहीं लोग मेरे को बोलेंगे कि वेल आप इंडस्ट्री के खिलाफ क्यों बोल रहे हो. बट द ओनली रीज़न इज़ कि सुशांत सिंह जैसा बंदा जो इतना मल्टी टैलेंटेड है, जो डाउन टू अर्थ है, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि मैंने उसको पवित्र रिश्ता से देखा हुआ था, वो कैसे उभर के ऊपर आया. एंड देन उसके बाद उसने मूवी की थी कायपोच है, जिसमें उसने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से अपनी भूमिका निभाई थी. सो एटलीस्ट वी नो दैट ही इज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम अ वेरी स्मॉल फैमिली, एंड जहाँ तक उसके कोई फिल्म का कोई रिलेशन ही नहीं है, बट ऐसी टैलेंट को वो बंदा अपनी बलबूते पे दिखा रहा है, तो ऐसी चीज़ हमको कभी वो ज़ाहिर नहीं करनी चाहिए. और दूसरी ये चीज़ है कि वो बंदा इतना मल्टी टैलेंटेड था कि ऑफ कोर्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम IT नॉलेज ही ऑल्सो वांटेड टू डू सम ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग. वो बॉलीवुड को छोड़ छाड़ के ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग की तरफ जाना चाहता था, ऐसा भी मैंने सुना हुआ है, जो उसके बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स और वैल्यूएबल सोर्सेज ने मुझे बोला था. सो एक यू फील केवल कोई कनेक्शन है यहाँ पे, अगर ये बंदा ऐसा कर सकता है. सो वी डोंट वांट एनी स्ट्रगलिंग एक्टर्स और एक्ट्रेसेस टू डू द सेम इन द फ्यूचर. सो ऑफ कोर्स कुछ ना कुछ करके जस्टिस तो उसको मिलना ही है. सो दैट इज द रीजन आई एम जस्ट कनेक्टेड टू दिस कैंपेन.
अब हम बात करेंगे काशनील से. काशनील, आप बताएं हमें कि आगे के स्टेप्स क्या होंगे, क्योंकि जिस तरह से जांच एजेंसियां काम कर रही हैं, 2 और जांच एजेंसियां जुड़ गई हैं, लोग ये सोच रहे हैं कि ये भटक जाएगा केस, एंड वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू रीच टू द जस्टिस. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक द नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स यू आर गोइंग टू डू टू लाइक डिटरमाइन टू गेट टू द जस्टिस?
डेफिनेटली ये केस अब नहीं भटकेगा कहीं पे, क्योंकि कैन यू इमेजिन फर्स्ट टाइम इन मेरी आंखों के सामने मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम देखा है कि हिंदुस्तान में 3 प्राइम एजेंसीज दे आर वर्किंग ऑन इट, एंड उसके पीछे और भी एजेंसीज आ रही है. मतलब एक छोटा सा भी वो लोग दे आर नॉट लेटिंग इट गो, एंड मेनली पब्लिक इस बार वो लोग अवेयर है. So this is not gonna happen. I don't think so anyone can forget this. Like Jay, the way he was saying as well, that he couldn't sleep for 20 days. So can you imagine that how much is affecting all the fans? पूरे हिंदुस्तान के लोगों को कितना अफेक्ट हो रहा है।
नीरजा, हम जानते हैं कि ये केस अभी बहुत ही ज़्यादा पीक पे चल रहा है एंड मीडिया इज जस्ट फॉलोइंग द केस हाउ इज मूविंग, बट हाउ डू यू थिंक वी गोना मेक श्योर दैट अनदर सेंसेशनल स्टोरी कम्स अप एंड इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू डाई डाउन?
Okay, I mean, media is always going to be there, right? Reporting whatever the latest is, and also, you know, we just need to be aware some of the news is fake, you know, and some of the media that, you know, try to sensationalize some of it isn't necessarily, you know, what the audience should be listening or watching anyway. Right now, what we formed on Twitter and also on Facebook and, you know, other social medias are certain groups, and it's starting to establish. And then for that, you don't really need to be out on the street, and also you don't need to be in a certain country. You can be across the world anyway, and that's already started. So that can still continue. Systems are already in place. You know, things are happening. So there's no way that that's going to slow down. All you need to do is make sure that, you know, you're increasing the level of support and also awareness amongst the rest of the it could be Indian community, but, you know, widely as well.
Jay, what do you think? Is there any message sitting in UK, London? You are fighting for justice for SSR. Is there any message that you want to give through your efforts to the youth of India?
My message is that, you know, keep that alive, you know, keep that picture of Sushant and his face is such a, you know, the inner beauty reflects on the face. You see his face, it haunts me even now. I can't sleep. You know, even now I'm having difficulty. I'm on sleeping pills because now I've got my sleep back, but I've been prescribed sleeping pills by my doctor because I wasn't sleeping. I just want people to understand this movement is not going to die. And my mother asked me, you know, why are you hurting so much? Why are you hurting so much? Unwind yourself from Sushant. I said, otherwise it will cost you in terms of your own health. I said, the day I stop hurting means the rest of India stopped hurting. That day it means the movement is going to go. So it's like a barometer. As long as I'm hurting, I know that this will continue. And, you know, this boy, he's going to influence something, drain the swamp, at least in some way. You know, you can't change anything forever, but every person's life has some purpose. His purpose was very, you know, I think to cleanse this dirty underbelly of Bollywood mafia nexus, and just, you know, you'll see some big politicians tumbling out now. It's going to, and by the way, you know, you're taking on, and the last point I'll make, taking on your thing, I feel there's another element to this. It's not just the people keeping it alive. There's a political angle now which is helping. It's helping. By the way, I have it from credible sources. That the Prime Minister, he's not coming on the forefront, he's keeping tabs on the story every single day. When Khatri was arrested, he was woken up at 2:30 a.m. in the morning, and he said, wake me up when he's arrested.
Rashmi, what do you think the next steps could be to keep this moment alive?
Okay, so at the moment, there's a lot of support for Sushant, which is media support, but it's getting a bit scattered because there's too many hashtags. And I think, so I feel personally that either one, Swetaji, his sister, or Smitaji, or Ishkaran Bandari, who have got a big following, one of them should take a decision every day that this is the hashtag for today, and then he starts trending, and that's where it's going to keep going, because if it's getting scattered, we're not being seen.
सुशांत के मामले को लेकर दुनिया भर में मुहिम चल रही है। लंदन में जो लोग इस मुहिम से जुड़े हैं, हमने उनसे बात की। इनकी बातों से ये साफ है कि ये लोग न सिर्फ सुशांत की मौत में न्याय की मांग कर रहे हैं, बल्कि वो चाहते हैं कि बॉलीवुड में मौजूद गंदगी की सफाई हो, ताकि फिर किसी कलाकार का अंत सुशांत के जैसा ना हो। कैपिटल टीवी के लिए लंदन से ऋतिका सोनाली।